So huge news this past week with Brightline finally unveiling its new Orlando station, and even bigger news that I did not expect. We finally got pricing for the trip between Miami and Orlando. This has been something we've talked about so much on this channel, and I had previously told you guys the rumors and what I honestly thought was going to be the price point of $100 one way for Smart Class, which is basically their economy class. So I'm happy to announce that I was wrong, and it's actually starting at $79 for Smart Class and starting at $149 for Premium. Oh, and by the way, families of four will be able to book a Smart Class package for less than $199 one way. These prices will of course fluctuate depending on time and day or if there's any special events. So big emphasis on the starting at portion. A quick refresher on the two class types Brightline offers. Smart Class is basically paying for your seat and nothing else. You don't get access to an exclusive lounge or complimentary beverages and food on the train. They are all for sale in this class. Premium has a bit bigger seats on the train, a dedicated premium lounge, and complimentary snacks and drinks both in lounge and on the train. I highly recommend trying this tier out at least once, especially for a journey this long. So now let's talk trip duration. Brightline says their nonstop service from Miami to Orlando will be just shy of 3 hours. They say 2 hours and 59 minutes to be exact. Their train from Orlando to Miami, with stops at all of their South Florida locations, will take 3.5 hours. By the way, if you were to drive from their downtown Miami station to Orlando International Airport, which is where the Brightline station is located inside Terminal C, it would take you between 3 hours and 3.5 hours, give or take, depending on traffic. It could be longer. The great thing about Brightline is it deals with no traffic.
Here, what you're going to find is truly an experience. It's not just the commodity of transportation and getting you from A to B, it's providing an experience around that so that people really have an alternative to driving their car.
Now, keeping fingers crossed that nobody decides to try to beat the train, it should be a seamless and smooth experience. The train will accelerate to speeds of up to 125 miles per hour on the stretch between Cocoa and Orlando. And this part, fortunately, has no public crossings. Now let's take a quick look at this beautiful Orlando station. As mentioned, it is located inside Orlando International Airport's Terminal C and is a total of 37,350 square feet. It features 4 self-service kiosks, a security checkpoint, its signature Mary Mary bar, a classic split flap message board, a premium lounge which takes up 2,812 square feet. There's also a spacious 250 square foot retail space, 87 TV screens, and a whopping 486 power outlets to keep all your devices juiced up, although you'll have a few hours to charge on the train anyway. For those arriving by car, there's even 350 parking spaces dedicated to Brightline passengers. I am so excited to take that journey to Orlando. I plan to film it all for you guys, share my experience, and give my honest opinion when it opens. Currently, tickets are expected to go on sale in May, with service starting sometime this summer. So I take it we'll know exactly when it opens during ticket sales next month. I encourage you guys to join me on this journey. A lot of you guys have enjoyed my previous Brightline videos. I've been extremely honest with you guys with my experience. It's been really excellent for the most part, but then we've also had some not so great moments on Brightline. You guys know what I'm talking about. So hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the bell button. You'll be notified when I do upload a new video. And as soon as this service opens, I'll be on that train directly to Orlando, filming everything for you guys, giving you a station tour, and then giving you guys my honest opinion, of course. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.